Hey guys, I'm Samarth Kabbur. I'm a KCB team member of 2020. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a leaf snowflake. These are completely recyclable, made from your backyard, and biodegradable too, because they're made out of leaves. So, once you finish watching this video, you'll get a nice snowflake that looks something like this. In addition, you can also use a stem to hold it up like this. Maybe make it a flower, stick it on your window as a decoration. Yeah, let's get started with the materials for this project. You'll need some glue or tape, whichever one you can find. You need a dry erase marker. You'll need scissors. You'll also need leaves. Here I've just got a huge assortment of leaves in my backyard, but you're going to want to find one specific type of leaf. And it doesn't have to be any specific color, but if you look at the back, you need two things. You need one, you don't want it to have a large stem like this, because these stems crack easily and they can't fold. And you also don't want it to have like large veins on the side. And two, you want it to be slightly wet, but not as like new as this. It has to be dry. You don't want it to be extremely dry either, because in making a snowflake, you have to fold your leaf a lot. And if I try to fold this, it comes right off. But if I try to fold this, it stays. So that's how you want it to be. Clear these out for now. Now your first step, clear working space. And I'm just gonna cut out this stem. I don't want it right now. And with either tape or glue, I stick it back on later. To make a snowflake, you want a really flat leaf. So this leaf, it's got a lot of fringing at the end. And get some heavy books, some paper, and leave it for an hour. Or if you want to speed up the process, you can also push down with your hands. It's still not perfectly flat, but it's manageable. Now on to the next step. In order to make a snowflake, you need a square leaf. Now this is a leaf, it's a leaf shape. Let's go ahead and make this a square. So, I'm just gonna make the square as big as possible. Cut this out. Clear out the debris. Now we got ourselves a nice flat square leaf. Now on to actual snowflake making. This involves some origami. Let's get ready to fold. First thing I'm going to do is fold it in half, just like this, so it makes a triangle. Since my leaf, I didn't make a perfect enough square, it's going to have some overlap like this, right here. But to fix that, I'll just cut that part out. Like that. Next, I'm gonna hold it like this. I'm gonna take this tip, bring it over here. Make sure not to crease too hard, or else you'll hurt the leaf and break it. Now, I'm gonna make it, bring it in half like this, so that you have a nice straight line going right down the middle. Next, I'm going to do the same for the other side. So it looks kind of like a kite. Doesn't have to be perfectly folded. Even mine's not very nicely folded. But at the end, you'll get a nice shape. Now, grab it by the end so that you have the little triangle at the top sticking out like that. And imagine a straight line so that it just looks like this. And cut it out just like that. Finally, you have this little triangle shape like this. I'm going to flip it over so that it's got a flat shape. And now I can make whatever pattern I want. Just like the other snowflake I made. I'm going to make a small cut like this. I'm going to make another small cut. Like this. cut out a little triangle on the bottom. So you can see right through, you got that little triangle shape. In addition, you can also make cuts anywhere else you want. So let's say I want to make a cut over here. Now I have 2 cuts. Finally, I'm pretty satisfied with the cuts I have. If you want to make a more intricate design, I'll leave a picture and show you how to do that, but once you unfold it, you got yourself a nice looking leaf snowflake. Finally, remember that stem we cut off in the beginning? That's going to come in handy for decorations. So let's say you want to hang it on the window or something. You can either put it like that, or if you want to hang it, you can use this as a hanger. I'm going to flip it over on the back, just like this. I'm going to take like the wonky looking end, the bigger part, and for this one I used glue. You can also use tape if you'd like. Keep in mind, if you are going to throw these away, you don't want to use tape because plastic doesn't do really well with nature. But if I just wanted to let this one float away in the wind, I could. And there you have it. You got yourself 2 leaf snowflakes.